If rolling out your garden hose to wash your car, water your garden, or water your lawn looks anything like this, then you need to get yourself a retractable hose reel like the one I got here from Giraffe Tools. Today I'm going to unbox, install, and give you a full review of my Giraffe retractable hose reel. I ended up purchasing my 78-foot Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel on their website, but these things are also available on Amazon, and there are lots of options to choose from. You can pick out different length hose, different diameter hoses, and even colors for the case. I was quite impressed in how this thing was packaged. Everything was wrapped in bubble wrap so that the case was very well protected. All hose reels come with a nozzle. Mine was an 8-position nozzle. There's not a whole lot of parts to play around with here. The entire thing is actually pre-assembled. The only thing you have to do is mount it. The first thing I have to do is disconnect and put aside my old heavy garden hose. I also have to get rid of my plastic hose hanger. During the extreme heat, my plastic hose hanger will actually sag from the weight of a 100-foot heavy hose. The first thing I had to do on my new hose reel was just remove or loosen up the set screw that holds the mounting bracket to the reel itself. I opted to get the metal mounting bracket because I felt that the plastic one would eventually sag over time from the weight of the reel. So keep in mind that is an option you can pay a few more dollars for. Once you get the mounting bracket disconnected, you just have to trace where you're going to mount it so that you can pre-drill some holes for the lag screws. You won't need a lot of tools to install one of these hose reels. A screwdriver for that set screw I showed you, a simple drill to drill some pilot holes for the lag bolts, and I'm using an impact driver with a socket in order to put in the lag bolts into my deck framing. Once you have the 4 holes pre-drilled for the lag bolts, you simply have to bolt it into your deck or whatever you're mounting it to, and you're done. It was at this point that I realized that that mounting bracket that I had purchased in metal was actually cast aluminum, and I stopped using my impact gun because I did not want to crack that mounting bracket. So I decided to use a regular handheld socket wrench in order to tighten down the lag bolts. You want everything snug, but you don't want to crack your mounting bracket. Once that's done, you simply have to just hang your new hose reel on your mounting bracket. The other thing you're going to have to do is just put that set screw back in place so that the hose reel doesn't accidentally come off of your mounting bracket when you're moving things around. Now you can connect your hose to the closest water spigot. I happen to have mine right there, right where my hose reel is mounted. I will take the time to neaten up the hose after I make sure everything works great. The last step is to simply screw on the hose nozzle. I'm going to use the one that they provided just to see how it works. You can actually adjust where the hose stops on the hose reel by adjusting this clamped on hose stop right here that I'm holding on to. Now if you want to use your garden hose, you simply just walk to wherever you need it to go, and when you stop pulling, the hose reel will lock the hose in that position. I'm going to go ahead and give this 8-position nozzle a test to see how good it actually works. And now that I'm done, I simply gave the hose a slight yank, and the hose reel will begin winding itself back up nice and neat. I also like the fact that I can swing the whole reel out of the way to keep it nice and neat looking. I hope this helps convince you to go ahead and get yourself a nice retractable hose reel like this.